Hello guys, today I would like to share you our recipe from Kai, dessert with the chocolate. We're using white chocolate. It's like a brownie, but we call it Blondie, and we add pumpkin seeds inside. It's really good. If you don't trust me, try and make it. Let's go, I'll show you how. To make 1.5 kilo of Blondie, we need to melt 250 grams of butter and 450 grams of white chocolate on a water bath. In the pot below the bowl we have simmering water that heats the bottom of the bowl. Mix ingredients till fully dissolved. Whip with a whisk or a mixer 5 eggs and 350 grams of sugar until mixture becomes light and increases in volume. Meanwhile, roast 200 grams of pumpkin seeds on a dry pan. Combine eggs mixture with melted chocolate and butter. Keep whisking. Add 300 grams of flour and 2 grams of salt. Fully combine and add half of the pumpkin seeds. Pour the dough into the mold. Spread it evenly and sprinkle with the rest of the seeds. Bake in preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Check by inserting a toothpick. Dough should just lightly stick to it. Blondie is a delicious dessert that goes well paired with a cup of tea or a coffee, or can be a perfect gift for your loved ones. Bon appetit! So many people like to bake their brownies or blondies a little bit longer, so the dough becomes cooked well through. I personally prefer toffee-like blondie or brownie when the texture is more moist, more chewy, and for me this is just perfect. If you like this recipe, give me a like, subscribe to the channel just here, and let me know what I can cook for you next time. Thank you very much. See you soon.